I've realized that sometimes the emergency alert system can warn you of a thunderstorm that's already been around for like 5 whole minutes. Like, seriously, there have been many times where a thunderstorm has already started and been around for like 5 minutes or something like that. And then the emergency alert system just comes on after that 5 minute time frame and warns you of the one thing you've already seen happening outside. Like, seriously, the proof has been there for a while. Lawn chairs flying in the air, trees bending, looking like they're about to fall over, and vehicles just moving on the road through the wind. Yeah, you can already see the storm is there, and yet the emergency alert system just decides to tell you a little too late.